Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about unboxing, review and installation of Orient New Breeze 600 or 24-inch ceiling fan. I have purchased this fan from Amazon. Link is given below in the description box. It is better to open and check the package once we have purchased it. So I have now ensured that all the contents are in the package. This is the overview of the fan box. The fan was marketed by Orient Electric Limited. The registered office is in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, and head office in New Delhi. The following details are given for customer complaints like helpline number, email, website, etc. MRP of the fan is rupees 2840 and I have purchased it for rupees 1900 from Amazon. The fan was manufactured on December 2021 and the fan was manufactured at Faridabad, Haryana. Here we can see the instruction manual on the top with safety instructions and installation instructions. Now let's unpack the fan. The fan has good finishing and heavy motor. The jackal kit comes with M6 motor bolt and the fan has 6.5 inches down rod. I think the 6.5 inch down rod would not be enough for a fan, and I hope this small screw is provided to keep the bottom canopy in a position without touching the motor. Here are the blades. If you look at the blade angle, it seems to be enough for a 24-inch ceiling fan. The canopy. The fan has 1.85 MFD globe capacitor. The capacitor value is unusual and it's hard to find such capacitor. Power consumption of the fan is quite high than other 24-inch fans. Let's install the fan. Tools required for installation: a tester, a plier, two pieces of 10 and 11 sized spanner, a double-sided screwdriver, and some wire. Always use original down rod which is given in the box to install the fan. While fitting canopy, remove down rod cap, then fit the canopy and again place the down rod cap. It's mostly used to prevent from leaky ceiling and dust entering into the down rod. The safety screw should be used compulsorily during installation. While fitting motor bolt and nuts, use the given aluminum pieces for extra grip. Shackle fitment as usual. Now let me hang the fan on the hook. Installation is completed. Now let's test the fan. The airflow is good and continuous. It's a kind of thin airflow which is suitable for applications in small places like balcony, kitchen, dining room, etc. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.